Oh my gosh! God, please save me from this boat sinking.
Dude, I think your boat's got a hole in it. You want to lift?
Thanks for the offer, but I'm pretty sure God's already gonna save me.
Alright, man. I just hope we don't see you here again. Hit it.
A man has a leak in his boat. Quickly, get the life preserver. It should be next to the staircase. I won't be needing that. God's gonna save me. Well, alrighty then. Put it back. Honestly though, what kind of weirdo would only let one specific person save him?
What happened to you, sir?
Oh, my boat had a hole in it. It sank.
Grab the rope and climb aboard.
Oh, you actually don't have to worry about that. God's gonna save me.
Well, I hope so, because I can't save you unless you grab the rope.
This is fine.
You are officially dead. Welcome to the afterlife.
Dead? I thought you were gonna save me.
Save you? Save you? I saved you 2 boats and a helicopter. Don't tell me I didn't try to save you.
Wait, you sent those for me?